Today we are at one of our clients' walnut tree orchard. So this is a Chandler walnut tree orchard. It's 6 years old. All of the trees that you see around, they are 6 years old Chandler walnut trees, and there are quite plenty of walnuts on their branches. So today we want to show you the productivity of a 6 years old Chandler walnut orchard, and let's begin our tour. The one important feature of Chandler walnut trees is the other varieties, they produce walnuts only on the tip of the branches, but with Chandler you can see walnuts being produced on the lateral branches, which means that it produces walnuts on the side branches too. So if you look at this, there are already walnuts on the tips, which means at the end of the branches, but also in the inside, the lateral branches, the side branches, they also produce a lot of walnuts. This makes Chandler one of the most important commercial walnut tree varieties in the world. Customer is using drip irrigation for their orchard, and if you notice, none of the pipes are near they are not near the trunk. All of the pipes are at least 1 meter away from the trunk, because this prevents any diseases from happening in the future, because when the water is dripping too close to the trunk, it may cause some diseases. So this is the best practice that they're doing. And one more thing, when they planted their trees, they painted the trunk of their trees with white color. Up to 1 meter, they painted with white color. This prevents sunburn from happening. This white color, it's like sunscreen for the trees. So it prevents any damaging sun rays from damaging the bark of the tree. Also, it prevents insects and other bugs or worms from penetrating the trunk of the tree. So very good practice that they're doing here. This is a 6 years old Chandler walnut tree, and they're currently expecting 20 kilograms to 25 kilograms of dry walnuts, which means walnuts with brown shell from each tree this year. When you look at their total height, 8 meters. So walnut trees can grow quite a lot. They can grow up to 15 meters height. Even these trees, when they're 6 years old, they're quite high. As you've seen, the trees, they are very productive. They have good amount of walnuts on each of them, and this seems very successful. They took good care of their trees and they followed our advice. So when this orchard reaches 10 years old age, they can expect 40 kilograms of walnuts from each of these trees. For 1 hectare, you can plant 300 trees, and when you plant 300 trees to 1 hectare, it means that from 1 hectare you'll be collecting more than 11 tons of walnuts. This is a very profitable investment. Investing in walnut trees is always it's good in the long term, and it's a very profitable investment. our customer is very happy with the trees that they got from us, and we keep supporting them, visiting their orchard, checking on their trees. So this is great success, a successful investment. And when you buy your trees from Wall Tree Nursery, this is the amount of success you can get from your trees.